Hey guys, welcome to math today. We're going to look at some dots and count them and see what number we're going to be talking about. How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about now? How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see 6 in two parts like this? One part right here, one part right here. All right, what about now? How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you find 6 in two parts like this? 1, 2. All right, what about like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could split this into two parts. Maybe like this and like this. What about if we split it like this and like this? So what number do you think we're talking about today? The number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's take a look at these cubes. So we're talking about 6. So let's get out 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's see how many ways we can turn these linking cubes into two parts of 6. If we split it like this, what's our bigger part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what's our smaller part? Just 1. 5 and 1 are parts of 6. What if we split it like this? What's our bigger part? 1, 2, 3, 4. And our smaller part is 1, 2. 4 and 2 are parts of 6. If I wanted to put that into a number bond, I would write, ooh, that's a little too big for writing. I'll use a different pen. See, we had 4 and 2 were our parts. And our whole is, that's right, 6. And we know we're talking about 6, so I'm going to leave that 6 right there in the whole, because everything we're talking about today, the whole is going to be 6. So what if we split it like this? Which one's the bigger part? Oh, I can't trick you. These aren't. Neither of them are the bigger part. They're the same. So what is the same for 6? 3 and 3. Three and 3 are parts of 6. Now, what if we split it like this? 1, 2, 3, 4 is the bigger part again. And 2, we already did that one. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the bigger part and 1 is the smaller part. We already did that one, but let's write it into our number bond because we didn't write it down. 1 and, uh-oh, I forgot now that I'm not looking at them. I know, I'll use my fingers to count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, the missing part is 5. 5 and 1 are parts of 6. So now we are going to do something different. I'm going to pull up my counting bears. And we're going to use counting bears. Let's see, we need 10 counting bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh, I ran out of room. How else could we put 10 so that it all fits on my screen? We'll do it the 5 group way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. We have 10 beautiful bears. I'm actually going to put them up at the top of the screen because guess what? We're going to tell a story not about 10 bears, but about 17 bears. So we have 10 bears. How many more do we need to get to 17? Well, let's figure it out. We have 10. Next comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 10 and 7 are 17. So what if we wrote that in a number bond? I'm just going to erase the whole thing and draw it totally differently. Let's put the whole down here. Our whole is 17. And we discovered that 10 and 7 are parts of 17. Now we're going to need even more bears. Let's see. We have 17. I'm going to put 2 more bears out. How many bears do we have now? 10 and, can you subitize this? 9. How many is that? 10 and 9. What number does that make? 10 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 bears. What if I get rid of some bears? How many bears do we have now? We still have 10 up here. How many do we have down here? I kind of mixed it up a little. We have 5, that's right. 10 and 5, how much is that? 10 and 5 is 15. Now, what if I get rid of even more bears? What number is this? 10 and 1. What is 10 and 1? 10 and 1 is 11. Some of you might have noticed I didn't erase my 1 this time. Because I knew I was doing 10 and 1. I didn't erase it last time because I knew I was doing 10 and 5. And the 1 from the 10 continues on through 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's a pattern. So what if I make an interesting bear shape? How many bears do we have now? 10 in one group. It's one of our parts of our number. And how many do we have over here in this group, in this part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 and 6 is... Well, let's count it just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10 and 6 is 16. Thanks so much for playing with me. See you later.